Hi, I wanted to show you how quick and easy and simple it is to access our CSS library anytime after you sign up. So during the sign up process, you'll be prompted to use your email and a password to sign up. And afterward, you can come back to ajmexperience.com at any time and access your account. You'll always see here in the header, this will, if you're logged in, it will say account. If you're not logged in, it'll say login. So click on the login, get yourself logged in. Once you're here, you can always click account. And that's going to show you those areas that you're subscribed to. So you're subscribed to the CSS library member area. Within that, you can toggle between our Squarespace CSS library. So in here, this is where you're going to get access to all of those copy and paste CSS codes, many of them accompanied by a video tutorial. A lot of them have full blog posts walking you through them. So you can always click the learn more. They are categorized in these larger tabs and then subcategorized by these smaller blocks within here. So lots of good stuff there. You'll also get access to the CSS Resource Guide. And once you're on the Resource Guide, you'll see we've categorized this in kind of a fun way. So we have our Selector Cheat Sheet here. You'll be able to instantly download that, get access to all of those. Same with our Squarespace CSS 101 guide. It's a long guide walking you through how to use CSS on Squarespace. You will get direct access to these posts we've made, walking you through exactly how to find and use all of those ID blocks. Some links to follow us, some of our other favorite resources, both our own. We've given you our font and color guide as well as our favorite external resources. We love this color scheme picker. Some other resources from us and then some external resources as well. So tons of resources here for you. And then last but not least, inside of your account, you will get a swag discount. So thanks for being a member. We love you. We appreciate you. You get to get a 20% discount on anything in the swag shop using this code. But that's it. Super simple. You can navigate through everything. You can access this lifetime, unlimited. It's always here. And we hope you enjoy it.